Hey everyone, this is Sam here, bringing another vlog from my channel Data Science with Sam. Today, I'm going to give you a quick demo of Google AI Studio's brand new app build feature. If you've ever wanted to turn your AI ideas into functional apps without writing tons of code, this update is going to blow your mind. So let's check out how you can use the vibe coding technique to build an app within a few minutes. This is the new look of Google AI Studio. It offers a lot of different features, starting from chat engine to stream, Gemini Live. You also have tried the new Nano Banana feature to generate images. But in this vlog, I will cover the important sections in this AI Studio that helps you to build an app by using vibe coding approach. So let's start with building an app. And let's just add a prompt here. Let's build a web app that helps you as a travel assistant and give you recommendation for weekend getaways in Denver. All right, so once you click that button, so the app, what AI Studio is doing, that it started generating the different features of the structure of the app, starting with the front-end UI. Then it's also going to start making a connection to the underlying Gemini model, and it's also going to create some sample workflows. As you can see that it's already started generating codes by itself. For this particular app, it's mainly going to use the TypeScript programming language, which is kind of like a widely popular programming language in terms of building web apps nowadays. So as you can see that it's kind of like building everything on its own and storing each and every files in a file explorer format here. So in future, if a developer wants to enhance the app, they can take the code as is from this app itself and build more components on top of it. All right. It seems like it was able to create the app in a quicker fashion. So there are a couple of ways we can try it out. Let's see if it's going to give me a good recommendation for hiking. All right. So once I click on that hiking tab, a button, it started giving me some sort of like an itinerary based on my hiking preferences. So let's see what it comes up with. First, it's showing that mile-high trails and city trails, a Denver hiking adventure. So the first options is Red Rocks Park and Amphitheater. I've been to the Red Rocks Park and Amphitheater, and I would definitely tell you that this is a really good recommendation because it's not very far from the Denver city. It's also giving you some brewery option. Like, if you can go to like go for hiking, you'll feel tired, you'll feel thirsty, and you're going to probably want to go down to a brewery and, spend some time over there. And it's also giving you some dinner recommendation. It's really great because, I'm really excited. I'm probably going to try out some of these since the weekend is coming up. Now let's try to see if it provides, recommendation for an art and culture. And let's see what kind of itinerary is able to generate for me. All right. So it seems like right now the model is kind of providing you recommendation based on like a standard template, but you can definitely play with it. Maybe let's check live music. Hopefully it should be able to provide you some different recommendation other than what it already provided to me. Okay. It seems like it's kind of like providing like a similar kind of recommendation with me. So there are definitely some sort of new enhancement that I can make it to the app. Let me just add something to the app. Let me try to ask the app to generate some different itineraries or get more, selections, based on my preference. All right. So I asked the app to provide some different examples to me instead of just, keep showing me the same itinerary. It seems like it's kind of like going in a loop and provide all the recommendation that's in the Denver and surrounding areas. So I'm looking for some other examples as well. So let's see if app can give me some other recommendations. So as you can see that based on my new prompt, it's actually updated new TypeScript file, Gemini service.ts. My understanding is that this TypeScript is going out there and fetching details from different websites and, giving users tailored itinerary based on selection. So let's see if I can get a different kind of selection now. Let's go for shopping. You know what? I'm going to try both foodie and shopping. Let's see if I can get some good, restaurant select options here. All right. It seems like the app was giving me some different options like Cherry Creek North. Seems like a good shopping district, followed by some exploration of, if you're a foodie, then probably would love to go to South Broadway to try some ice cream there. On Monday, on Sunday, you can actually go to ENN Station. I'm pretty familiar with that place, and I know it offers a lot of different of options for a foodie and also someone who wants to go out for shopping there. So yeah, not bad. I think that's it. That's kind of like a quick demo I wanted to show you on how to build a quick web app using Google AI Studio's new build feature. So let's try out some other vibe coding techniques and see if we can make this app better, or even you can try out and come up with your own app. Now, before you go, I want to show you that there is another way you can store this code that's already generated and keep building on top of it. So there's a GitHub button here. So if you want to save it to GitHub, just click here and it's going to try to connect with your GitHub account. So if you already have a GitHub account, you can just tap it over there. This is my repository name. I'm going to keep it AI Studio. All right. I'm going to go ahead and create this GitHub repository, stage and commit all changes. And what I'm going to do is that I will definitely share the link of this GitHub repository in this vlog description. So please go and check out there. If you want to take that code from the repository you want to build on top of it, feel free to do so. If you're not a developer, if you just want to create that app, then I will also provide the prompt in that vlog description section. You can just use the prompt, or you can come up with your own prompts to build a similar travel recommender app for yourself. All right. So it seems like it was able to push that code to the GitHub repository. And that's all for today. It appears that Google AI Studio's new build feature is a game changer because it takes you from an idea to a working prototype solution. And later on, you can utilize the same AI Studio to deploy your app and open it up to the public. I haven't tried that deployment part. For that, I probably need to get a paid subscription, but I highly recommend you to just go ahead and host your app in Google's platform and see how it can, it'll believe to come up with a public app within a few minutes. So if you have been waiting for a faster way to turn your ideas into a working solution, or at least having some sort of a proof of concept that you can demonstrate to others, then go ahead and try these new build features in Google AI Studio. And don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to my channel as more contents on revolutionary AI features are forthcoming. Till then, goodbye.